All this translating has made me work up an appetite. I know. In honor of the unique flavored Kit Kats, I'm going to make Kit Kat sandwiches. 'Cause I've got Munchies. Kit Kat style.
Kit Kat sandwiches. Que bueno.
Let's get started. Today's ingredients for Kit Kat sandwiches are Kit Kat bars, the 2-pack, fresh strawberries, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, and whipped cream cheese.
Crema.
First, unwrap Kit Kat bars and set aside. Then take your cream cheese, vanilla, and sugar and whip together. Next, slice your strawberries into flat slices. Then take your 2-section of Kit Kats and spread your cream cheese mixture on it. Next, top with sliced strawberries. Then, top with a Kit Kat bar. Ta-da! Kit Kat sandwiches.